Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make beef yakhni soup, updated. Begin by trimming and searing beef to lock flavor, then toast whole spices briefly. Add onions, ginger, and garlic, deglaze with water, and skim foam as it simmers. Low and slow extraction yields a clear broth with concentrated taste. Adjust salt and finish with fresh cilantro and lemon for brightness before serving steaming bowls to family. Gather bone-in beef, whole spices, onions, garlic, ginger, and fresh cilantro for garnish. Measure water to cover meat by about 1 to 2 inches and use coarse salt to taste. Toast spices until fragrant to release oils before adding meat. Simmer gently for several hours, skimming impurities for clarity. Reserve some broth and shredded beef for bowls, and add a splash of lemon or vinegar to brighten the final soup just before serving. Sear meat until deeply browned, then set aside while you toast spices briefly to bloom their flavors. Add seared beef, onions, and water, then bring to a gentle simmer and skim regularly for a clear broth. Cook low for several hours until collagen softens and broth concentrates. Strain solids, return strained liquid with shredded beef, season carefully, and finish with cilantro and a squeeze of lemon for a balanced, comforting bowl.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.